In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for personal use. We're going to set up a simple, effective personal system using ClickUp's built-in templates. This approach is perfect if you want a quick start without building everything from scratch. First, head to ClickUp in your browser or app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar. That's where your spaces live. A space is a high-level container for related work. If you already have one for personal life, great, use that. If not, choose any existing space you'd like to keep your personal tasks in. The key is to work inside the space where you want your personal setup to live so everything stays organized. Inside your chosen space, find the plus button. Depending on your layout, you might see it near the space name or at the top where you create new items. Click that plus to open the creation options. We're not making a blank list. We're going to leverage a template so you get structure and best practices baked in. From the creation options, click Templates. This opens the template library, where you can browse pre-made setups for tasks, lists, and workflows. If your view shows categories or you land on a filtered page, don't worry. At the top of the template screen, clear any active filters. Removing filters widens your search, so you're not missing great options just because a category or type is limiting the results. Think of this as widening the funnel before you narrow it down again. Now, use the search bar and type the word personal. This surfaces templates built for everyday life, things like personal planners, habit trackers, routines, home projects, and simple to-do systems. Take a moment to skim the names and descriptions. You can usually preview what fields and views are included, which helps you pick something that matches how you like to work. When you find a template you like, select it. Before you save, give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later, something like Personal HQ or Daily Planner. Confirm the location as your chosen space. Then control how it will display by choosing the default view you prefer, such as List for a clean checklist or Board if you like drag and drop columns. If the template offers options to include sample tasks, custom fields, or automations, decide what you want to bring in now so you start with the right level of structure. When everything looks good, save or apply the template. That's it. You've set up a personal system in ClickUp using a template, customized the name, and chosen the display that fits you. From here, you can start adding your real tasks and make the space truly yours.